how to make a photo collage on iPhone. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a photo collage right on your iPhone without downloading any third-party apps. Just make sure to follow along till the end so you don't miss a step. Alright, first go ahead and open the Shortcuts app. Once you're in, tap Shortcuts at the bottom left. Then hit the plus at the top right to create a new one. Now in the search bar, type Select Photos. Then tap it from the results. Tap the little arrow and make sure Select Multiple is turned on so you can pick more than one photo. Next, search for Combine Images. Tap it and change the mode from horizontally to in grid. This will give you a proper collage layout. Then search one more time, this time for Save to Photo Album or Save to Photos. Select it. Now tap Done at the top right. Once that's done, tap on the shortcut you just created. It'll ask you to select the photos you want in your collage. Go ahead and choose them. Then tap Add. It'll automatically generate the collage and save it right to your Photos app. That's it. You've just created a collage using nothing but your iPhone's built-in tools. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in next one.